Hey car enthusiasts, welcome back to Future Concept Cars. Today we're diving into something absolutely wild, the Hennessey Super Venom Mustang 2025. This isn't just a car, it's a beast unleashed from the future of American muscle. Buckle up, because this updated monster is about to blow your mind. Picture this. Hennessey took the already insane Ford Mustang Dark Horse and said, nah, let's crank it to 11. Under the hood, we've got a 5-liter V8 Coyote engine, but now it's supercharged to pump out a jaw-dropping 850 horsepower. That's 70% more than the stock version. Torque? A tire-shredding 650 pound-feet, 0 to 60 in 3.2 seconds, and it blasts through the quarter mile in just 10.9 seconds at 133 miles per hour. This thing doesn't just move, it teleports. But it's not just about power. Check out this VenomAero carbon fiber kit, front splitter, vented hood, side skirts, and that massive rear wing. It's not just for looks, it's pinning this beast to the ground at high speeds while keeping the engine cool. The design screams aggression. 20-inch lightweight wheels, exclusive 91 icon liveries in black, silver, or red, and a ghostly Hennessey logo that glows in the dark. Inside, you've got leather and Alcantara seats with custom stitching. Pure luxury meets raw power. Oh, and only 91 of these bad boys exist, so it's as rare as it is radical. Now, if you're loving this peek into the future of muscle cars, smash that subscribe button and drop a comment below. Tell me, would you take the manual or the auto transmission? Your support keeps this channel rolling, so let's keep the car hype alive. Driving this? It's like piloting a rocket with a steering wheel. Choose between a slick 10-speed auto or a 6-speed manual for that old-school feel. Priced at $1,363,950 for the Dark Horse base, it's not cheap, but you're getting a factory Ford warranty and Hennessey's 3-year backup. This is 2025's ultimate fusion of classic Mustang soul and futuristic performance. So, what's next for the Super Venom? Could 2026 push it to 1,000 horsepower? Stick with Future Concept Cars to find out. Hit that like button if this got your engines revving, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, keep dreaming big and driving fast.